Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use gold in Viking Rise. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so gold is one of the most valuable resources in Viking Rise. Now this is used for speeding up progress, buying items and upgrading advanced features. It's harder to earn than food or wood, so you want to spend it wisely. Now, in order to use it, we can use it to speed up constructions, training, and research. So say if I want to speed up this academy upgrade, I want to go ahead and click on that button there, and then come here, and you're going to have gold here that you can go ahead and click use. So you scroll down and choose gold. So basically, if you run out of speed up items, you can use that gold to instantly finish the time. I currently don't have any gold because I'm only level 5 chief and I haven't found any gold yet. Now this is the most common and fastest way to use gold for progress. Now a pro tip, only use gold for important upgrades like chief halls, academy or walls. Don't waste it on small timers. Now you can also buy resources with gold, so depending what resource you want to buy. So if I want to buy food, I want to click onto the food, and this works for stone, iron count, etc. You can use gold to purchase resources directly here. So if you've got any gold, you can use it, click onto it to buy. So this is useful when you need a quick boost to finish a big upgrade or troop training. Now another pro tip, resource packs from events or tribe help are the most cost efficient, so use gold for emergencies only. Now another way to use it is instant healing for troops. After big battles or rallies, you want to go to your hospital. You can heal troops instantly using gold if you don't have enough healing items or resources. So this is vital during PvP wars or boss events when timing matters.